How to create stacks in Wix Studio. So in order to create stacks, we can click onto this plus icon, and then from in there, we have in here the stack option. So on our quick adds, we already have in here the stack. So you can just head over and then click on it, and then add it right here wherever you want. Now it should be added to your site. So for default, we have in here our stack box. We have the title for that stack. We have in here the paragraph for that, as well as a button for that particular stack. So do take note that any stack will actually not look like this. You can actually stack the elements or existing elements that you have into your site. Like for example, we have in here this. You can head over and then just click on any element that you want to stack together. So for example, let's head over and click on elements. I'll click on to this one. Then after that, I'll click on shape on my keyword and then just choosing here this particular shape that we have. Now from in there, you should be able to have a stack option once you have clicked those two. And you can just head over and click on that in order to stack them. So that's how you create stacks in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.